Ilan po? Complete Phyto Energizer. Ilan po ito? 16,000. Kanina po yung C24/7, ilan po ang phytonutrients? Very good listeners, guys. Mas maganda po ng 6,000 phytonutrients po yung C24/7. Ang tanong, Dok, maganda rin ba itong produktong to? Remember, 4 years ago po, dyan ako nag-member sa produktong yan. Pero ang tanong talaga, Doc, do we need to explain everything again? Not anymore. Bakit po? Kasi lahat po ng naman ng complete is not part of what product? C24/7. Isa pa ho. Anong pangalan po ito? Restore Life. Doc, binanggit mo na rin. Restore Life. Pampahaba ng buhay. Ano ho ba talaga ang function? People, ang first function po talaga nito, isigaw po natin na DNA repair. Again, people, say it loud. DNA repair. People, if you will repair the DNA, yung lifespan po ng cell mo, hahaba po yan. At pag humaba po ang lifespan ng cell, yung lifespan po ng tao, hahaba rin po yan. Malumanag po. Pangalawa, for those who would like to lose weight, inumin niyo po. Why? The genetic name is resveratrol. Guys, let's say it loud. Resveratrol. Anong function po? Pampapayat po talaga ang resveratrol. They will burn your fats. Malumanag. Ba't parang nagturuan kayo? Ito, kailangan mo yan. Okay po. Pangatlo, if you know someone who is suffering from diabetes, pakibigay ba rin po? Why? The function is insulin sensitivity. Mean to say, they will help normalize your blood sugar. Pang-apat, for those who suffer from stroke, pakibigay. Bakit po? They will try to preserve the membrane of your brain cells. At panglima po, people, ito maganda po bakit? May anti-cancer properties po yan. So, isipin niyo, with all of the contents and the functions mentioned, maganda bang produktong Grass sa Lifetime Global? Yes. Palakpakan natin ng malakas po. Now, beverage na tayo. Let's talk about beverage. Captain, pag-usapan mo natin. Masarap ko ba uminom ng coffee? Yes. Naku, may masarap pa tayong kape. Sabay-sabay